Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the section Sound and Vibration. Let's tap. Now let's tap on the ringtone, which is at the very top. And here we've been transferred to the themes, the app themes, where we've got this ringtone section. Be aware you need the internet connection. However, if you do not have one, no worries, because you can still open the pre-installed ringtones or local ringtone section, and your device will transfer you simply to the pre-installed ringtones from which you can choose. Obviously, if you've got the internet connection, if you'd like to download the ringtone, you can choose it from those categories like morning, nature, rain, or love, instrumental, message party, a lot of things to choose from. We've got also some kind of hot hits, a lot of things. So let me show you both approaches. So let's start with the pre-installed ringtones or local ringtones, so I can show you how you can do it. So let's simply tap on pre-installed ringtones, tap on ringtone again, and here we've got those which are obviously pre-installed. I've mentioned that before. And all you have to do is to tap on the specific one and listen whether you like it or not. So, for example, this one. Oh, yeah, and obviously we are silenced. Oh, I didn't know that here we've got the different buttons for the volumes. That's quite nice. All right. So this is how we can check whether we actually want to use this one or not. And if we want to, we have to simply tap on it again and make sure that it is marked. It means that we just successfully added it. You can tap and immediately apply it, which is a drawback, to be honest, because you need to be aware that whenever you will tap, it will be applied. But this is how it works. So now we've got this carousel option. It is marked right here, and from now on we will use this ringtone. However, if you'd like to choose something from the online ringtones, simply tap on the specific category. For example, I'd like to listen for this one, 4 in the morning. So that's so loud. So just tap on it and listen. And if you will decide that you want to apply this ringtone, tap on this bell icon next to it. And now, as you can see, you can choose where you want to apply it. So I'll pick on ringtone. Your device needs to download that. And we've got the information that it was applied successfully. So now we can go back to check. And as you can see in this section, we've got our ringtone. We've got the name of the ringtone that we've just chosen, which means that our device will simply use it whilst informing us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.